What's good, family? I'm back with another banger. I'm finna be showing you guys how I make oven-baked pork chop, barbecue style. Let's get into it. Here's all the ingredients right here. Going in with the Saison. You know what I mean? You've been following my channel, you already know. You gotta have that Saison. Gotta have it. For that color. For real. Gotta have it. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. BBQ sauce. Mix it up, get a little mix. Going in with some onion. With some crushed pineapple. This is a starter dish. Yeah, crushed pineapple. Yeah, that's that extra flavor. You know what I mean? Now you know we gotta, bag it up, let it, marinate for a day. Marinate for 24 hours. Let all that season, get off in there. I'm getting my pan ready. Meat been marinated for a day. Before I put my meat in the oven, I like to, sear them on both sides. Sear both sides like 5 minutes a piece. Get it extra crisp. Like 5 minutes on each side. Here's what I'm looking for right here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Pan, put it off to the side, and put my second batch in. I'm cooking for a family of 6. Got the onion up in there. That's extra flavor. Pineapple up in there. Yes, Lord. You see them onion. I'm gonna throw them onion up in there too, though. You know what I mean? Caramelized onion, extra flavor. All my veggies here. Got my onion, got my pepper, my yellow, orange, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Finna add a little water, a little cup of water, you know, to the pan. We'll wrap them up. Throw them in the oven on 350 for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes on 350. Here we go, 30 minutes. See what we looking like. It's hot. Gotta be careful. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce to it. Go back in the oven, uncovered, for like 25 minutes. Uncovered, you know what I mean? Get that glaze, that the barbecue sauce cook on there. This it. This is it here. This is the finished product. For real. Barbecue pork chops. I'm talking about they fire. For real, I promise you. You know, that pineapple took it to a whole nother level. I'm telling you. But here we go. This all plated up. I got my black eyed peas. I got me some yellow rice. You know what I mean? Some cabbage. But yeah, this is it. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Be blessed.